Zimbabwe's Justice, Legal and Parliamentary Affairs Minister Ziyambi Ziyambi has admitted that citizens are struggling to trust the Zimbabwe gold ZiG, which has lost much of its value since its introduction in April. Saka pana mashoko atona kuda kuona na Ziyambi Ziyambi uye vachiadmita kuti aiwa nezig hapana kwatiri kuenda. Vakomana vemubato ravo kana government yavo havafanira kumbotombofunga kana kutotangidza patsva. Saka pana mashoko amudanyigo pana mutobva subscribe or like on the bell kuti pinda panapa mune handa wanyora achiti the gold backed currency is lost a significant value since its introduction, currently trading at 5.2 ZiG, 25.2 ZiG on the interbank market and around 43 ZiG on the parallel market. According to Ziyambi, Zimbabwe's main issue is a lack of confidence in the local currency, which is causing speculation and devaluing the ZiG. The minister explained that when the ZiG was introduced, it was backed by gold currency, and with around 10.6 billion ZiG in circulation and $430 million in reserves, the exchange rate should not be above 25 ZiG. However, due to lack of confidence, people are speculating and preferring to hold on to US dollars, even if it means buying them at a higher rate. The issue that we suffer from a country is largely a question of confidence, Ziyambi said while speaking to the Senate on Thursday last week. Ndo mashoko anomuda taura panapa awana Ziyambi Ziyambi achiti aiwa vanhu munyika yeZimbabwe aiwa vari kurejecta ZiG nokuda kwokuti vanoziva zvavakamboitiwa munguva yakapfuura. It's not like it is the first time vanhu vachisangana this situation yatiri kuona kuti vanhu vanoluza confidence, but vanozoti takamboluza ma-thousands emadollars avo vakanga ari mumaaccounts avo nokuda kwokuita the move yekuda kungomhanyira kuda kungoadopta the currency inenge yangointroducwa nevakomana with the ruling party. Tudze mafungiro emo tikudei pamusoro pechituko ichi. Enda comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.